when you send an image to someone or when you take a picture, the picture contains some sort of metadata or hidden data. Now, if you were to use tools such as EXIF tool, you may find its metadata which can literally reveal information about the location of the image, the camera used, the phone used, etc. Now, that's scary. So why not just remove the metadata itself from the image before sending the image to the people? Real quick, this was made for the HackBlue Cybersecurity Hackathon, which was happening from 17th to 27th November. The theme was to make anything related to cybersecurity. Okay, so this is the pic I'll be using for this example. I just randomly got it from the internet, and here's the metadata I got from EXIF tool. Keep in mind I added the metadata for now. Okay, so very simple logic. We open the file, we delete the metadata, we save the file. But now you may ask, how does deleting the metadata work here? Well, that's also a very simple logic. We create a new image, we put all the original pixel data into the new image, and we neglect the metadata. A simple functioning of the program is here.